Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a Robinhood spending account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to add or to start spending in Robinhood, all you will be needing is just to create an account. So simply you will need just to sign up. So after that you will need just to complete signing up by verifying your identity and complete the process of signing up by adding your region and other personal information. And after that, all you will need to do is just to fund it. And basically to fund your account or your Robinhood application or your Robinhood wallet, all you need to do either set up direct deposit and you can have your paycheck or deposit like tax deposited directly into your spending account, or you can link your bank account and start moving the funds between your Robinhood account and your bank account. Another way is to use the ACH transfers by using your account number and the routing number and then add them to the application and you can start funding your account by using it. So you can go to the spending in dollar icon tab in your menu. You go settings, account, and routing numbers, and then you can add yours. So basically, by that, you will be able to have your Robinhood spending account that's been set up, and then you can activate also your Robinhood cash card. So basically, this will be a debit card that you can start to use. And now you can add spend alerts if you want, and you can add location protection. Also, you will be able to link your accounts, that means Robinhood Cash Card, with other accounts. And by that, you have already your spending account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.